Listen up, car lovers, because what's happening in China's auto industry right now is absolutely next-level insanity. For years, the world laughed at Chinese cars. We called them cheap knockoffs, weird boxes on wheels, or rolling punchlines. But times have changed, big time. China isn't copying anymore. They're creating. They're out-engineering, out-designing, and out-pricing everyone else on the planet. It's like they looked at Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes and said, "That's cute. Hold my bubble tea." These new crossovers are breaking every rule in the book. Cars that charge faster than your iPhone, pack more screens than a Best Buy showroom wall, and cost half as much as anything built in Europe or the US. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's real. It's here, and it's happening right now. But before we dive into the good stuff, let me be real with you. I spend hours, literally nights, digging through Chinese websites, translating press releases, watching factory test drives, and comparing specs from local media. Also, you get 100% verified info, not recycled AI clickbait. I don't just repeat what's trending, I check it. That's why I say this from the heart. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm not a big company with a studio or a crew. It's just me, a mic, and a laptop at 2 a.m., editing and fact-checking so you get the truth behind these cars. When you subscribe, it's not just a number, it's a thank you. It tells me this work matters. I'm proud of this community, and if you're watching this, you're part of it. So hit subscribe, drop a like, and let's roll. Because what you're about to see will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about so-called cheap Chinese cars. This is the top 5 Chinese crossovers. Coming to shock the world, let's kick it off with number 5, because this one comes from a tech giant that's about to flip the entire car world upside down. Number 5, Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. Yes, the same company that makes your smartphone just built a crossover, and it's insane how good it looks. Imagine if Apple suddenly launched a Tesla rival. That's exactly what Xiaomi did, and they did it better. The SU7 Ultra looks clean, confident, and futuristic. The front is razor sharp with LED light bars that scream premium European design. Think Porsche Cayenne meets Lucid Air. Every surface is sculpted. The door handles sit flush, and the rear profile looks like aerodynamic art. This is design you'd expect from a $100,000 brand. Open the door, and it feels like stepping into 2030. 2 massive digital displays stretch across the entire dashboard, blending into one seamless screen powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS, the same system that runs their smart home tech. You can adjust seat temperature, lighting, even the cabin fragrance just by talking to it. The voice assistant actually understands you, like chatting with a friend. The steering wheel is sleek and futuristic, the ambient lighting dances with your music, and the seats feel like hugging a memory foam cloud. But this isn't just a gadget on wheels. It's family-friendly too. 5 adults can ride comfortably, and the trunk is road trip ready. The high-end trim delivers up to 435 miles of range, more than a Tesla Model Y, and it charges faster. The real shocker? A starting price of just $32,000. That's luxury EV performance and technology for less than a used RAV4. Xiaomi may be new to cars, but if they pull this off, it could be the iPhone moment for EVs. Number 4, GAC Aion V. This car doesn't just look futuristic, it feels like it came straight from 2035. GAC might not be a household name in the West, but in China, they're quietly building monsters. The Aion V's design is bold and elegant. Sharp lines, floating roof, and laser-thin LED eyes that look alive. Park it next to a Toyota BZ4X and the Toyota suddenly looks ancient. Inside, it's pure sci-fi. Dual floating screens dominate the dash. The steering wheel is shaped like a fighter jet yoke, and the center console could belong to a luxury yacht. The seats use vegan leather that's softer than real hide, and the cabin is whisper quiet. You could record a podcast while driving. The features are mind-blowing. AR navigation projects turns onto your windshield. Facial recognition adjusts driver settings automatically, and built-in AI senses your mood to change the lighting. It's massive inside, with tons of legroom, a panoramic roof, and a trunk big enough for a family vacation. The real magic? Ultra-fast charging, 0 to 80% in just 10 minutes. Range about 430 miles. Price? $35,000. That's wild for something that looks and feels like a 70K luxury SUV. The only question is, can China's advanced charging tech integrate easily overseas? If it can, Tesla should start sweating. Number 3. Avatr 06. Now this one is flat out gorgeous. Built by Avatr, a brand backed by Huawei and Chang'an, the 06 is a head-turner. The design feels like art in motion. The body curves flow seamlessly, the headlights are razor-thin, and the stance gives off Porsche Macan vibes with a futuristic twist. Inside, it's luxury redefined. A massive floating touchscreen runs Huawei's Harmony OS, super smooth, lightning fast, and intuitive. The cabin mixes suede, aluminum, and soft touch materials everywhere. The seats are ventilated and massaging, the sound system wraps you in 3D audio, and the lighting adjusts to your mood. It's like traveling inside a premium lounge. Rear passengers get equal love, climate vents, comfort seating, and plenty of space. Power options include pure electric and range-extended hybrid versions, delivering up to 400 horsepower and around 435 miles of range. The price? Roughly $38,000. That's mainstream SUV money for a luxury EV that feels like it belongs in a concept show. The catch? Huawei's involvement may raise privacy concerns in some countries. Whether that limits its global reach remains to be seen. Number 2. Denza Z9 GT. Buckle up because this one is wild. Denza is a joint venture between BYD and Mercedes-Benz, and their Z9 GT is luxury with a vengeance. Imagine a low-slung shooting brake that looks like a Porsche Taycan crossed with an Audi RS6 and raised by Mercedes. It's powerful, elegant, and aggressive all at once. The interior? Mind-blowing. 3 OLED displays stretch across the dashboard, and a full-width heads-up display projects info on the windshield. Ambient lighting changes with your heart rate, and every material, from brushed aluminum to suede, feels six-figure premium. Rear passengers get recliners, touchscreens, and their own climate zones. It's first class on wheels. Under the hood, it packs BYD's next-generation hybrid system, delivering 1,000 horsepower and a 0-60 time under 3 seconds. Combined range? Nearly 800 miles. Price? Around $60,000. That's the same as a base BMW X5, but this looks and performs like a hypercar. The only real question is whether people are ready to trust a Chinese luxury badge. Number 1. Zeekr 9X. And now, the mic drop moment. Zeekr, owned by Geely, the same group behind Volvo, Polestar, and Lotus, has built the 9X, a perfect fusion of Scandinavian minimalism and Chinese innovation. It's sleek, elegant, and muscular. Picture a Range Rover Velar blended with a lucid air. That's the 9X. The interior is pure sophistication. 3 connected displays, Napa leather seats, crystal knobs, and a floating center console. The rear seats recline with individual touch controls and mini climate systems. It's luxury aviation comfort on the road. This 7-seater is built for families yet drives like a sports car. Dual motors push over 500 horsepower, with 435 miles of range and air suspension so smooth it feels like gliding on silk. The price? Just $55,000, less than a Tesla Model X, but with better range, better tech, and arguably better design. The challenge will be maintaining this quality globally. But if Zeekr nails service and reliability, it's not just competition. It's domination, so there you have it. 5 Chinese crossovers about to shock the world. Real cars, real innovation, real value that's flipping the auto industry upside down. Would you trust a Chinese EV in your driveway? Or are you still sticking to the Western brands? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. And if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. I put my heart and sleepless nights into bringing you these stories. No sponsors, no script factories, just passion. Your one click keeps this channel alive. Because next time, we're diving into the 10 cheapest Chinese SUVs that could replace your Ford or Toyota, and the prices will blow your mind. Subscribe, buckle up, and I'll see you in the next one.